Hey friends, Arlene here with A Little Bit Earthy, and we are out at Hawks Bluff in Blackwell, Missouri. Look at wind here. So we are looking at fossilized coral, agatized coral that then has quartz on it. Some has barite, some has iron. It's all over the place. Check it out. You see? Look at those bands. Look at these colors. It's everywhere. This one. Teethy there. A little dusting. I'm not sure if that's just a dusting of barite or if that's feldspar starting. But I want to know if anyone out there knows what this is. I don't know. Look at it. So it looks like it has a little bit of druze in there. This piece is similar, but has more of that. So I'm not sure if some of this is actually the stromatolite, but it is super neat looking. If anyone knows, let me know, please. So we'll call this like the bone looking stuff. At first I thought it was a bone. I was like looking at just, well, maybe that part of it, and then uncovered this side. I don't know what it is. Anyways, alright. Hawks Bluff in Blackwell, Missouri for Druzy Agate. We're here for the weekend event. Hey friends, Arlene, still at Hawks Bluff. We're hanging out with Kitty over here, and we are at a different part of the farm. Check out these points. Oh my goodness. It's getting bigger. Really well developed crystal. So it's really druzy and barite rich on the other side. And this side is quite quartz rich and iron rich. There's a lot of deposits. You can see the color. All the bots and all the druzy, but I'm over here really looking for these well-developed points. Get this cleaned up and show you what that looks like later.